Bluey jumped out of bed, yawning big, the sun peeking through the window. "Time to brush," she shouted, paws grabbing her toothbrush quick. Bingo rolled her eyes playful. "Already? It's too early." But Bluey grinned, excitement glowing in her eyes. Could brushing teeth be an adventure? Bandit leaned in, pretending stern. "Remember, brush every corner." Bluey twirled the toothbrush, toothpaste foam popping like tiny clouds. She squeezed too much, giggling as it dribbled down. Bingo laughed loud. "Bluey, that's way too much." Could a simple routine turn into a messy spectacle? Chilli came in soft, smiling. "Let's make it fun." She held up a timer shaped like a rocket. 2 minutes, ready? Bluey nodded fierce, sticking her tongue out dramatic. She scrubbed up, down, round and round, making sure not a single tooth escaped. Could tiny bubbles hold so much excitement? Suddenly, the toothbrush made a funny squeak. Bluey yelped, bouncing back. Bingo gasped, "Did it just talk?" Bluey laughed loud. "Maybe it did." Bandit chuckled, "You're imagining things, mate." But Bluey stared wide, pretending her toothbrush had a mind of its own. Could imagination turn brushing into magic? Muffin and Socks peeked in, Muffin holding her own tiny brush. "Let's race." Bluey accepted with a grin, spinning around, toothpaste flying. Bingo joined, all paws moving fast, laughter echoing through the bathroom. Could a boring morning transform into a crazy, joyful race? The timer dinged, loud and clear. Bluey stopped, foam dripping slightly, eyes sparkling proud. "Done," she shouted, striking a victorious pose. Chilli clapped gentle, Bandit nodded big. "Perfect brushing, mate." Even Muffin and Socks cheered loud. Could victory taste so minty fresh? Bluey rinsed her mouth, staring in the mirror, smiling wide. "See? Brushing can be fun, exciting, and maybe even a little magical." She waved to her reflection, giggling. Then she turned to the camera, raising her toothbrush. If you loved this silly adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join me for more fun mornings with me and my family.